All right, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing with me, Michael Ruffino. Okay, I am sponsored by Kastking, and we're going to talk about the sister company of Kastking, Madbite, a brand new revived division for a brand new category of offerings from Poseidon, which is the parent company. Madbite is giving us tackle. This is their tackle kit, 181 pieces. So this is a fantastic deal. Let's look down. I haven't opened it yet, so let's look down. First of all, notice it's in a really cool case. It's got really good hinge on it, a real strong clasp. Look at this. I mean, you just attach this to my kayak and it's not going anywhere. You just stay in there, and this is really nice. So there's 181 pieces in here, so let's open it up and check it out. Oh, let's go over here. All right. Voila. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Everything is in a sealed compartment, which is great. So let's look at the first compartment. We'll start at the top, work our way down. So we got snell hooks. This is great. Great for trout fishing. So I just put some power bait on that, attach that to my line, and just let it float just above the bottom. Great. You got snaps. Oh! Look! Look at that. You need small fingers. Look at that. You guys know what that is? That's that. Okay. So this is great for drop shots. So I attach a line here, attach a line there with a weight, put a hook there, or something like that. How do I do that? Anyway, this is very cool. That's very cool. Oh, you got, oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Look at that snap. I love, this is my favorite snap. I do use snaps. This is my favorite kind to use. This will hold, that's going to hold, a good size fish. It's a great snap. Good job, Al. And this is you could put a slide weight on here. So you put your line through here, you can put a weight on here, and it slides up and down the line. So very cool. And you got barrels. Okay. Woo-wee. Okay. First door. Awesome. Good job, Al. He's the one that, he's like the guy. He's the man. So, okay, we got beads. I use beads. Oh, bobber stoppers. I use bobber stoppers. Go to my drop shop video, and I'll show you how to use bobber stoppers and a trick in order to get better hook sets. So, bobber stoppers and beads are really good things to use. And over here, got to have weights to go on that thing, right? So we got weights. I've never used a weight like this. It's called a nail weight. Oh, this, what you do is you take this and you put it inside a worm or a plastic. You push it inside, and it gives you a ring, and now you can put the worm on there. Pretty sure that's how that works. Pretty sure. So anyway, I gotta look at that. Never had one. So you've got treble hooks, which is nice. Let's check out the treble hooks. And you've got more weights. You've got that. Very cool. Good job, Al. All right. And you got jigs. You got jigs. Gotta have jigs. You got hooks. Snell hooks. Ooh, here right here is an offset hook. Offset hook. Oh, look at all of these. Look at that. Look at all those weights. You always need to just fine-tune your drops on your weights and your baits. So, look. Oh, look at that. See that? That's a drop shot weight. All you do is you put your line in there, and it cinches it. You just pull it, and that's your drop shot weight. Oh, my gosh. This is great. All right. So, you put this in that, close it, and boom, you got it. That's fantastic. So, you may be asking me, Mike, How much is that thing? And that is probably a great question. It really is a great question. And I kind of forgot. So let's look at, it's on Amazon right now. And it's $19.99 is what it is. $19.99. They come in 2 sizes. I got this one because I really love the case. I think the case is really hot. This one is obviously the 181 piece. It's $19.99 at 40% off right now. All right, so 40% is $8, so that's $12. $12 for all of that. That is a great deal and a great little case. They do have a 214 piece in a sort of a traditional looking Plano type style case, and that one is $24.99 at 40% off as well. So that's what, 40, 15 bucks. So give or take. That's math in my head. So you only get to use the coupon once. So put all these things together. I mean, get the bass kit, get the trout kit, get the panfish kit, and put all these things on it. You get 60% off on those, 40% off on this. Booyah! We're talking a great deal. You're going to be set up for tackle for spring and summer with all of this stuff. What a great deal. So please like, subscribe, pass this on to a friend. I will put the coupon down below and the link, and go to it, buy it, and have fun. We'll see you guys out on the water.